Hi there, this is Abhishek here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to compare these two trimmer. One is Dizo trimmer kit that has been launched recently, and this is Mi Trimmer 1C that has been launched already 1 year ago. But the thing is, which trimmer is better for your requirement? I'm going to explain you everything, so make sure watch this video till the end. First of all, let's discuss about the features. Mi Trimmer 1C comes with 20 different settings that can be trimmed from 0.5 mm to 10 mm. In the same time, Dizo trimmer kit comes with 40 different settings that starts from 0.5 mm to 20 mm. As we know that Dizo trimmer comes with two different comb. One is smaller size 0.5 to 10 mm and one is the bigger size that starts from 10.5 to 20 mm settings. In the front end side, you will get dialer that will help you to change the trimmer settings, and there is also a power on and off button. At the bottom, you will also get a charging indicator, but one thing I like about the Mi Trimmer 1C is that there is 3 charging indicators they have given that glow according to charge of this trimmer. For example, currently the trimmer is 100% charged, so 3 LEDs are glowing. If there is 50% charge, then 2 LED will glow. Like that, you at least you come to know like how much battery is available on this trimmer. In the other hand, Dizo trimmer has only one charging indicator. You cannot identify whether trimmer is 100% charged or 50% or 20%. So here the winner is Mi Trimmer 1C. Mi Trimmer 1C comes with a micro USB port. In the same time, Dizo trimmer comes with a USB Type-C charging port. If we talk about the charging time of this Mi Trimmer 1C is 2 hours, and you will get 1 hour of battery backup, and it can be used only cordless. In the same time, this Dizo trimmer charging time is 3 hours, and here you will get 4 hours of battery backup. With that, it can be used corded and cordless as well. So in terms of features, definitely the killer winner is Dizo trimmer kit. And with that, both the trimmer comes with self-sharpening stainless steel plate. But if we look at the trimmer size, as you can see, Mi Trimmer 1C trimmer is looking slightly smaller as compared to Dizo trimmer kit. Now it's time to do the live trimming test, where I'm going to trim my beard and I will show you which trimmer gives you the better performance. But before going forward, I would like to let you know this is not a sponsored video. If you want to support my channel, buy any of this trimmer from the link given in the description section below, and if you buy from my link, you will also get this trimmer at the best price. Now let's go forward and do the live trimming test. So guys, as you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard. This side I have trimmed with the help of Dizo trimmer kit, and this side I have trimmed with the help of Mi Trimmer 1C, and here is the side-by-side comparison. You can decide very easily which trimmer gives the better performance. As of now, both the trimmer does a really great job. Now let's go forward and trim beard directly with the help of blade, and let's find out which trimmer gives you the better clean shave look. Alright guys, as you can see, finally I have trimmed my beard at 0.5 mm settings. This section I have trimmed with the help of Dizo trimmer, and this section I have trimmed with the help of Mi Trimmer 1C. If you ask me, both the trimmer does a really great job. Either you trim with the help of comb at different settings, or you trim directly with the help of blade, you are not going to face any issues. But if we have to choose any one trimmer according to performance, I will tell you Mi Trimmer 1C is slightly better than Dizo trimmer. But by the way, if you buy Dizo trimmer, it is also not going to disappoint you. So which trimmer should you buy? The fact is very simple. The trimmer that comes at low cost, definitely you can go with that trimmer. If feature doesn't matter to you, if feature is also matter to you, then definitely you can try this Dizo trimmer. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you're planning to buy any of this trimmer, I have provided both the trimmer link in the description section below. Please buy from my link to support this channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.